I'm Bob Merlin. I am a collaborative family attorney. I help families stay out of court and resolve their differences peacefully. So if you're going to get divorced, if you're thinking about it, one of the things you need to do is to gather information such as bank statements, tax returns, pay stubs. You should think about what there is that needs to be divided as far as assets and liabilities go. The issue of support, are you going to be paying support to your spouse? Are you going to be receiving support from your spouse? Are there children involved? How are you going to share the parenting of those children? And is there going to be child support that's being paid? Think about all of the issues that are involved in the day-to-day lives as a family. Certainly, one thing that you need to do is research your options. How do you handle this divorce? The typical way is going to court and fighting publicly in court. Another option is to use the collaborative process, which enables you to keep everything out of the court except for a final hearing. You're able to do everything privately. You can be much more creative in the collaborative process than you can be in court, and you don't have to worry about everything going public, because if you're not in court, then it's private. That's good for every family. It's critical that you do some research in choosing your attorney. You do not have to have an attorney to get divorced, but the process moves much smoother if you do have an attorney. And if there are complicated issues, especially if you and your spouse disagree on certain things, you really are going to need an attorney to help you get through the process. Researching about the attorney you're contemplating using is very important. Go online, see what's written about the attorney. If they have a website, which they should, look at the website, read their philosophy of how they represent clients, and choose someone who matches with your philosophy of how you want to handle your divorce. Do you want to destroy each other in court and thereby harming your children, or do you want to keep things private and do things in a more peaceful, mature way? If you found this information useful, please leave a comment, contact me, and certainly share this with other people. And I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. And I'll talk to you later. I'm Bob Merlin. I'm a collaborative family attorney.